We have got many customers who are joined with us till now. We provides local and domestic home shifting services in Pune and all over India. We provides the best movers and packers services in Pune, around Pune as well as all over India. We have also provided a lot of information about household shifting, residential relocation, office shifting, local shifting, commercial shifting, industrial relocation, car transportation, warehousing storage, logistics and transportation, packing and moving relocation, business and economy services provides. We provide best movers and packers services to all over India at very affordable and genuine rates.